I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting compatible components: a Bluetooth receiver, amplifier board, and battery. Once you have them, lay out parts on a static-free surface and verify voltages with a multimeter. Start by wiring the receiver's audio outputs to the amplifier inputs. Solder clean joints and use heat shrink to insulate. Make sure ground lines are common. Connect the battery to the charger/boost module, but do not power up yet. We're establishing safe, tested signal and power paths first. Once wiring is tidy, position the drivers into the enclosure and seal them to prevent air leakage, which ruins bass response. Make sure driver polarity matches left/right channels so phase is correct. Then fasten the amplifier and receiver to standoffs to reduce vibration. Tie wires with zip ties and keep audio lines away from power lines to prevent hum. Install the charging module and switch. Test continuity and confirm polarity. After mechanical assembly, double-check all screw torque and insulation before first power-up. Now power the unit and pair it with your phone to test audio. Start at low volume and play a test tone or pink noise. Listen for channel balance and distortions. If you hear hum, reroute power wiring, add ferrite beads, and ensure proper grounding. If phase is wrong, swap driver polarity. Watch battery temperature and charge behavior. If it gets hot, stop and inspect connections. Once stable, seal the enclosure, add damping foam for better mid-bass, and enjoy your custom Bluetooth speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.